So you took your drones out to the park and it started raining. All your batteries are charged up and the forecast is for rain, rain, rain. Well, I have a solution to your pollution. This is how I discharge my batteries. This is a Blue Eddy. They call them a solar generator, but it's really not. It's just a battery pack that will accept a charge. And this particular one, you can plug a battery right in. So you plug the battery in and it starts charging. And then what I do, it's hard to do with one hand here. What I do is I put a beeper on. I set that beeper up for like 3.65, and you can see right now it's taking 174 watts out of the battery and putting it into there. And the beeper will start going off at about 3.7 volts. Right now you can see the cells are at 3.9, somewhere around there. And I don't waste any power like that. I hate wasting power. There's nothing worse than charging up a battery and then just having to discharge it and get nothing out of it. That just kills me. I'm sort of an energy buff. Like this is my man cave, semi workshop, and it's solar powered. Like, I have a lot of solar power. I actually charge up I have an EV vehicle and I use this building to charge my car. That cooler's got a big giant bank of batteries in it. Lipo F4s, of course, and prismatics, I should say. And I just hate wasting power. So get yourself one of these things. This is from Blue Eddy. I love it. It works great. Blue Eddy quite frequently has sales on eBay of seconds and what have you. They stand behind their product, and I just hate wasting power. And of course now you can take the Blue Eddy and hook it up to your charger, because she's got 110, and charge up your batteries again when you're ready to go. So absolutely love it. Get yourself one. I'm not sponsored by them. They didn't give me nothing. I'm just trying to help out the community and stop wasting power. Send it.